In today's video, we will be going over how to use panels in CaseGuard Studio. When you open CaseGuard Studio, you will see the Project Files panel and Task List already pinned by default on the right side of your workspace. The icon representing each panel turns blue when it is pinned, as shown here. Hovering over one of the icons will tell you the name of that panel. And if you click on any of the icons, that panel will be pinned or unpinned. Click the arrows to expand this tab, showing you what the panel icons represent. Since we do not have a file added to CaseGuard Studio yet, these are the only panels available to us. Panels will populate depending on the file type added to CaseGuard Studio for ease of use. Without a file added, your panel options are the Project Files panel, Task List, File Information panel, File Log panel, and the Watcher panel. To pin or unpin a panel, you can click the pin icon at the top right corner of each panel, click the corresponding panel icon on the right side of your workspace, or expand the list of available panels and pin and unpin from there. With no file added to the project, the Tools Property panel at the bottom of your workspace will be blank, as will the toolbar on the left side of your workspace. The toolbar will have different options depending on what file type you add to CaseGuard Studio, and the Tool Properties panel will populate depending on what tool is selected from the toolbar. If you are redacting on a laptop or a computer with a small monitor, you can adjust the size of each panel by clicking and dragging on the double lines. At the top of your workspace is the Shortcuts bar. From here you can create a new project, open an existing project, add a file to CaseGuard, save your work, create an album, use the Redaction pool, begin a bulk processing operation, download a video from YouTube, use the CaseGuard screen recorder, view the diagnostic reports for the software, revert to a previous history file, view the automatically generated reports, and see your scheduled tasks. I will open an existing project with a video file and a document file already added with redactions in place. When you add a video to CaseGuard Studio, additional panel options will appear. These include the Object Detection panel, Transcription panel, Analytics panel, and the Translation panel. When working with a video file, it is recommended that you pin the Object Detection panel before you begin redacting. Another way to pin panels to your workspace is using the View menu in the top left corner, selecting Panels, and then clicking Object Detection panel or any other panel that you would like to pin. The Tool Properties panel will default populate with the options needed to perform manual redaction. If you want to use a different function, such as Cut, simply select it from the toolbar on the left side of your workspace, and the Tools Properties panel will adjust accordingly. When you place a redaction, the object behind the redaction will populate in the Object Detection panel as shown here. From the Object Detection panel, you can disable the redaction by clicking the eye icon, lock the redaction in place using the lock icon, view all of the frames the object is in by clicking the icon with 4 arrows, or you can use the target icon to use the Go to Position feature to locate the first time the object was detected. When performing audio redactions, it is recommended to pin your Transcription panel and the Analytics panel. If you are translating your audio, you can also pin the Translation panel. When dealing with document files, the video and audio specific panels are removed from view, and a new option, the Pages panel, will appear. These panels allow you to customize your workspace and streamline your redaction process based on your use case using CaseGuard Studio. Happy redacting!